It is taking me a lot of strength to share what I'm about to share with you. Hello, I am Jyoti, and right now I have the money in my bank account for 2 days of food for me and my dog. I love creativity. I'm super psychic. I love my intuitive gifts. I create magic paintings. If you want to buy them, link of them is in my bio. When you keep them around, good things happen for you. They're super powerful. Every painting has its own unique magic. Read about them. Like I guarantee when you keep my magic paintings around, good things will happen for you. Your life will shift in a very positive direction. I love to also help people with my intuitive gifts. So if you want to book a one-on-one session with me, link of them is also in my bio. I grew up in a family line wherein all women went through financial abuse. Like they were never allowed to touch or smell or keep the money with them. The only money that they can have is what their husband gives them a little bit for a house purpose and all. They were never allowed to keep money for themselves or invest for themselves, on themselves, on their beauty, on their anything they need. It's like they would never have the cash with them. And this, like, because I grew up in this pattern, there is like a lot of financial challenges, and I'm very grateful for the money that I have, that I received the support from God so far in my life, you know but like it's still like right now I'm in a place wherein like my father was supporting me with my rent and food and bills, but like it's like to get that support I have to go through humiliation also. Because then anyway, right now I'm making this video, it's because I grew up like really financially, sexually, emotionally, verbally abused, physically abused, for the first 17 years of my life. And now I want to invest my time and energy into taking care of myself, and I want to build my business. And you know it's I need to have a safety net. I need to have a money that I can, like, my rent is due in 5 days, and so I have to have cash. I want to pay my bills, and not only just that, I want to have like minimum 6 to 12 months of my food and my rent being taken care of, so that I can invest my time and energy into my health.